This is Zion Ministry from California. They are preaching the gospel to the people. They are preaching the gospel. Yes, this is one of the branch Zion Ministry in California, America. They went about preaching the gospel of the kingdom. This one is South Africa because when I know say Evangelist Ebukobi will come to South Africa very soon. So this one is the watch now for South Africa where this one they happen.
Here is where we keep starting our awareness for the coming of our spiritual director to South Africa. We are starting from here and we are taking it up to the Johannesburg, where our other team members are waiting for us. So we are starting from Heidelberg, Johannesburg. From here, we are going to meet our other members. We are happy that we are having our spiritual director to South Africa. So here we are with the team leader. Please, sir, may we know your name?
My name is Mr. Christian Ene. I'm from Udi in Enugu State of Nigeria. Yes. As God may have it, I'm the leader of evangelical team in my section. So we are here in Heidelberg, south of Johannesburg, to bring the evangelical information to the people of this side that there is a man of God in the name of Ebuka Anozie Obi. In the name of Evangelist Ebuka Anozie Obi, who is coming to have a crusade on 29th and 30th of this very month in Expo Center, Johannesburg, not far from FMB Stadium, Southgate. So we came here to bring the good news to them so that all of them will make sure that they come and grace the occasion. And by his grace, I know all the problems they will come with, they will not go back with it. So I and my team decided to come to Heidelberg today. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Zion,
we move.
Zion,
we move.
We fly. My name is Mrs. Chirozie Juliet Ugoji from Osu local government area of Imo State by birth. I'm married in Eluamolu local government area of Imo State.
Thank you.
My prophet, my prophets. We can't wait to have you in South Africa.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Zion,
we move.
Zion,
we move.
My name is Ebechukwu Ago. I'm from Enugu State of local government.
Thank you, my brother.
Zion,
we move.
Zion,
we move.
My name is Mrs. Rita Obiuku. I'm from Umutunu in Anambra State of Nigeria.
Thank you.
Zion,
we move.
Zion,
we move.
My name is Chinedu Ayaibo. I'm from Okosuka. Zion,
we move.
Zion,
we move. And my humble self, Brother Adimora, we are reporting live from Heidelberg. This is to show our love and our support for the coming of our spiritual director to South Africa. And we are doing everything within our own power to see that people notice his coming. Thank you, and God bless us all.
Zion!
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 We move.
Brother, we are waiting for you in South Africa.
Yes,
we are waiting.
Yes. We don't wait.
We move.
Zion.
We move.
Yeah, I'm one of the Heidelberg residents. Men of God will be very happy to see you in South Africa. We are expecting you with all our hearts. And God bless you.
Thank you.
Come on, stop. Okay, yeah.
And my humble self is not tomorrow. We are here today to create more awareness for the coming of our spiritual director to South Africa. Daddy, we love you and we can't wait to have you here. We are going out of our way to make sure that we create awareness of your family. And the city of Heidelberg, we are ready. We are ready, and we can't wait to have you that. Thank you for coming as we wait. Zion,
We move!
Thank you.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and watch the next video.